Hey, didn't want to have to do this, but pushed me past my limits, so here we go. Yeah. Listen here, kid, you really are lame. You bring your parents shame, always throwing shade. The handwriting is atrocious, my rhymes they are ferocious. My plan is notorious, now sit up, try to focus. Quit playing with your hair, all you do is stare. When people see you they scared, ain't got nothing down there. Barry White, what is that? Phil Collins is just trash. Stay home with your cast. Scott slammed you on the mat, which ain't nothing compared to this. Getting wrecked by this diss. You'll never have a first kiss, all you do is miss. No one knows you at school, your friends know you as a fool. You're so far from being cool, I doubt you'll ever pull. What's up with all that acne? Must use a ton of zit cream. You shouldn't have messed with me, now you're really feeling the heat. What are those clothes, man? You look really dumb, fam. Need to cool down, sit by the fan. And do you like ants, man? Well, I guess it's time I go. Attend your funeral for sure, cause you ain't living no more, thanks to my great flow.